Hi guys, Mrnewmobile here. Please subscribe, followed by the bell. So the design of the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro is unique. Both phones have a glass front and back. The standard Pixel 6 has a matte finished metal frame, while the Pixel 6 Pro has a polished frame that covers the sides of the device. The display on the Pixel 6 stops at the edge, while the Pixel 6 Pro has a similar look as older Samsung Galaxy Edge devices with the screen wrapping around both sides of the phone. The most notable design element of both devices is the camera bump on the back of the phones. Instead of vertically stacking the cameras, or even doing a square array of lenses in the top corner of the phone as was the case on previous Pixel phones, Google put a horizontal line across that spans the width of the Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro near the top of both devices. Inside the bump is the respective camera modules for each model, laser detect autofocus and the flash. The bump itself sticks out from the back of the phone, preventing it from laying flat on a surface, but because it goes across the entire device, neither phone rocks when you press on it while it's sitting on a desk. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro are launching with Android 12 pre-installed, making them the first devices to use the official build of Android 12. Until now, Android's next mobile operating system was only available for older Pixel phones through the Android beta program or through beta programs from Android hardware partners. Android 12 has a drastically new design and look thanks to what Google is calling the Material You design. Material You uses your phone's wallpaper to determine the highlight colors for the rest of the operating system, and can even create app icons or alter widgets to match your wallpaper. There are also new privacy features in Android 12, including the ability to see when an app is accessing your phone's camera or microphone, and block them from doing so, as well as a privacy dashboard that details when and how often apps are accessing your personal information. The Pixel 6 and Pixel 6 Pro are both getting several new camera features. The Magic Eraser tool can remove unwanted items, or people and animals, that distract from your original photo subject. There is also a new motion mode in the camera app that makes it possible to take long exposure shots or add a blurry background to objects that are moving. As far as Google Assistant is concerned, the Pixel 6 lineup are receiving some handy new features. The speed of Assistant voice typing has been improved, and there's a new feature that helps you decide when to call a toll-free number by showing the wait times, broken down hour by hour, for the respective business you're attempting to call. Up front, the Pixel 6 has an 8-megapixel camera, while the Pro goes up to 11.1 megapixels, and the latter can capture selfie videos at up to 4K at 30 frames per second. Both devices can shoot at 4K resolution at 60 frames per second with their rear cameras, and there's a new speech enhancement mode to play with that will drown out background noise to focus on what you're saying. All these will also require extended real-world testing before I can tell how useful they are. In fact, there's plenty more to test, including battery life, Tensor's performance and the in-display fingerprint sensor's responsiveness. You can already pre-order the Pixel 6 for $599 and the 6 Pro for $899, which is hundreds less than their Apple and Samsung counterparts. Without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe, like the video, comment. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Peace out.